We're in store for something special. Oh. Chop! Dominating shoulder tackle. Oh!
The champ using every tool they have to protect their reign.
She is feeding off this crowd right now. Shoulder tackle. Oh, a moonsault. It takes a certain level of athleticism to pull that off. Lands a timely reversal. Ooh, treading into the pin. Title on the line. Oh! She kicks out with authority after two.
If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it.
Block the effort and cut them off with a shot to the gut. Shoulder tackle.
Waistlock applied and
angle German. The challenger taking some minor damage. Oh! She gets bounced into the corner. Now lifted onto the top turnbuckle. Up top. Oh, wow. Raw power. Power slam. Right into the pin. And she breaks free before a 1 count. Still in it. I think she's looking to end things here. Ooh, clothesline delivered. Picking them up. And with authority, a running power slam. She's gaining the upper hand here. Right now, there is no stopping her. Spinebuster.
up into the fireman's carry position.
Death Valley driver. And here we go. The champ delivering what for the pins. And the champ stands tall once again. These women put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Here is your winner, and still All-Star Television Stampede Women's Champion, Willow.
A successful title defense for our champion. There were a few moments where